Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, by the way, this information, nalaman ko lang to nung nag-live stream tayo nitong nakaraang weekend, nitong Saturday, no? Na meron palang EP si Stel. And so I did my research, nakita ko na dalawa sa kanta ng EP na yun is napakinggan na natin. Yun yung Room and Di Ko Masabi. Yeah, Di Ko Masabi yung isa doon, yung kantang yun. But we still have two songs, or three, technically it's three songs, na hindi pa natin napapakinggan, no? Unang-una is yung classic. We do have Anino and Room stripped version. Okay, so this is the first time na napapakinggan natin yun. So we're going to technically react to Stel's EP, Room, no? So again, because we already listened to Room and Di Ko Masabi, hindi natin siya pakinggan today, so we're only going to listen to three songs today. But the first song na papakinggan natin is classic. There's official lyric video. Wala siyang music video, no? So well, without no further ado, man, let's get it. Okay. Okay. Hindi ko alam na mabilis pala yung beat na ito.
Whispered conversations late at night underneath the covers in my mind.
Okay.
Wishing you could be here by my side. It would be so right. It would be so right. Whitey and some sneakers, always cool.
Yep.
Only perfect features. An attitude. Every time I see ya, it's deja vu. Cause I keep on falling and falling for you.
Oh, that's a bar, man. Every time I see you, it's deja vu. Because I keep on falling and falling for you. Oh, man. That's a bar, man.
It's deja vu. Cause I keep on falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a classic.
Okay. Ulit niya, you got me saying. Hindi pala. Sorry, no.
You got me saying. Baby, you're a classic. A classic, classic.
Hey. Alright. Tagalog ka, no?
Iba sa isipan ko kapag kasama ka. It's so damn fly. I keep falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a classic. Baby,
hey.
I just gotta have it every day.
Baby, you're a classic, man. I just gotta have you. I just gotta have it every day because you're a classic, diba? Classic meaning like always always napatok kasi it's a classic, no? Maluma man siya or bago. Sometimes may mga bago, for example, a song, may mga bago na you already know that it's going to be a classic, no? Na pagdatagal ng panahon, you know it's going to be a classic. I just gotta have it every day kasi hindi siya nakakasawa because it's a classic, man. Love the energy of the song, man. Hey. Hey! May kita mo to na na pwedeng sayawin pag alam mo yung shuffle na nasayaw. No, pwedeng-pwede to.
I just gotta have it every day.
Let's go, man. Classic. I mean, I feel like that's going to be a classic now. All right, well, that is a classic, no, by Stel Ejero, one of the songs sa kanyang EP na Room, no? I mean, classic. Hindi ko na-expect na magiging ganun yung parang vibe niya, no? Na parang mabilis yung beat, no? Na pwede mong sayawan ng shuffle na song, na dance. But yeah, I mean, that is a fucking classic. Wala akong mong masabi. That's a fucking classic, no? And also, I really love the deja vu bar, no? I keep on falling for you. Ganda nun. But yeah, so next song we have Anino, no? This is a music video. Anino. I don't know why hindi natin ito napakinggan noon. But we're here now, no? So this is one of the songs sa EP ni Stel na Room, Anino. I feel like just a prediction based on what we are seeing right now, it feels like it's going to be like a ballad, no? Because yung color filter is parang medyo like bluish, you know, medyo sad yung ano. And based sa title, but we don't know. I mean, it's a classic nga, di ko na-expect na gano'n. Mali mo, diba? But let's get it. Yeah, well, I told you.
Ako'y nandito lamang sa tabi mo, at kahit kailan ay di kita iiwan, dahil ang tala ko'y nabiyag ng mata mo. Pero wala akong anino sa tuwing naharian ang liwanag mo. At kahit na ganon pa, anay ay yakapin lamang kita. Huwag nang mag-alala, pagkailan may di na mag-iisa.
By the way, I just want to say, man, I'm getting goosebumps, no? Umpisa pa lang tayo sa kanta. I really love what they're doing about on the song in here. You know, na litaw yung vocals ni Stel. Tapos yung instrumental is parang sobrang baba lang, no? So parang lutang na lutang yung boses niya. Feels like Stel is actually like singing in your ear, no?
Walang hindi ko kaya para sa iyo, handa kong maglaho kung yun ang bubuhay sa liwanag mo. Dala kong pangako sa'yo na palasyo, nagawa sa mga batong pinulsa. Dili ko mang naipong bigat na yung dala-dala. Kahit na ganun pa, manay ay yakapin lamang kita. Huwag nang mag-alala, pagkailan may di na mag-iisa habang buhay kitang mamahalin.
God fucking damn it, man. Getting goosebumps, man. God fucking damn it. That's the fucking vocals, man. Hear that? Ano natin yan?
Pagkailan may di na mag-iisa habang buhay.
Damn, man. By the way, see this? I don't know if you can see it. Di makita. Getting goosebumps. No? Sinabayan pa siya ng, ng violin, no? Na umaangat na rin yung instrumental sa violin habang nag-harmonizing siya. It's a fucking masterpiece, man.
Heto ako, bibigyan ng kinang ang pangalan mo. Ang layo ng bawat paghingang ito, ibigay sa'yo lahat ng magagandang bagay sa mundo. Wala ito, malalim man ang sugat na aking natamo. Wala pa yan sa kaligtingan ng pagmamahal ko. Buong pagkatao, kahit mawalan pa ng anino. At kahit na ganun pa, manayayakapin lamang kita. Huwag nang mag-alala, pakailan may di na mag-iisa habang
God, the emotion on the vocals, man. The emotion on the vocals, man. What the heck?
buhay kita mamahalin.
Shit.
Kahit di mo batid.
Damn, man. God damn. Oh, no. We already listened to this. What the hell? Okay. So, that is Anino. I mean, not this. This is Josh Cullen's song. We just listened to this. Yoko na, no? Which is a great song. But Anino, no? Don't know about you guys, but I feel like yun yung masabi ko na eargasm talaga. Eargasm talaga, no? I feel like my ears just come. What the hell? Man, I'm speechless. No, just piano and violin and vocals ni Stel is a lethal combination, no? It's a lethal combination, no? Gusto ko rin doon yung linya niya na na kahit mawala yung anino, sobrang liwanag mo, 'di ba? Kasi sobrang liwanag, 'di ba? Pag sobrang liwanag talaga nawawala ng anino. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I cannot collect my thoughts right now. That's just a fucking masterpiece, no? Kantang yon. But yeah, that's a 10 out of 10. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like that's my favorite song now in the EP. No shades sa Room. Room is still a fucking fantastic song. Hindi ko masabi din, no? Pero yung Anino, man. that's a different level. There's a different level, no? But yeah, I mean, we proceed, no? We have our last song dito sa EP ni Stel, na Room Stripped official lyric video. So this is a stripped version, I assume. Well, akalagay na pala, binabasa ko kasi yung title sa dun sa YouTube talaga, sa sa taas ng pangalan ni Stel sa YouTube. Pero andun na pala talaga mismo sa video na room stripped version. No? But yeah, we are going to listen to this. Well, tingnan natin kung mas maganda ba to sa original version, kasi yung Love Goes, 'di ba? Yung remix version niya, mas na-tripan ko yung remix version niya actually. Mas nag-grow siya sa akin pag mas matagal ko siya pinainggan. Pero let's see. This stripped version. Man, let's get it. Okay.
As soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they glued in mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind, my mind. Got me getting sad, let's talk about it in my room, babe.
Oh, that's a fucking smoothie, no? That's a fucking smoothie. What the hell? What the hell? I missed so much, no? Kailan pa natin pinainggan yung Room? And di ko masabi, napakatagal na. Months ago, no? And you're telling me there's a stripped version ng Room na sobrang smoothie. We just have to bring it back, man. I mean, di natin pwedeng ulitin yun, no? Just have to bring it back. What the hell?
As soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they glued in mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind, my own mind. Got me getting sad, let's talk about it in my room, babe. Hope you're ready, cause I'm gone in vain. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling fills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Oh, hey.
Woo! Oh. Can you read the room?
That's a fucking Justin Timberlake vibe, no? That's a Justin Timberlake vibe, man.
Can you read the room?
That can you read the room, man? Tatakas yung balahibo pag gano'n.
Can you read the room?
Hey.
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. And now you've tried one of a kind.
Hey.
It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile, but I sent you way too high. Hope you come alive. Say the crime if I send shivers down your spine. My oh my, forever bound you and I. Space, we don't need that. Let time slow its pace.
Alam mo to, itong kantang to parang pwede sa mga James Bond movies. Alam mo yun? Yung mga smoothie na na scene, man. No, you're getting that tuxedo vibe, no? Elegant.
Fade of black is now we're face to face. This the only answer. This energy is within me. Will never let you scare.
I mean, Stella is just giving us a roller coaster of emotion right now. Stella is just giving us a roller coaster of emotion. Like the first song, the classic, you just wanna dance, while you're in love. That's the vibe of it. Anino, just wanna sit, just wanna listen, just wanna, namnamin yung kanta. Ano kaganda, masarap siyang pakinggan lalo na pag, I feel like pag pinaigaw mo yung kanta, alam mo yung parang puro chaos sa paligid mo. Like once you put your headset, I mean, everything is just clear. Peace. Kapayapaan. And that's the feel of it. Pinapakinggan ko siya. And the room stripped version is just wanna make you go 007. Gonna make you go Quantum of Solace.
Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body.
Hey.
Picture perfect movie, trampling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Hey.
Can you read the room? Tell me, can you read the room? Can you?
Hey.
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Baby, don't you worry, as long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, cause I will be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to leave this room, cause I'm your everything. Can you read the room? Read the room.
I feel like Stell is pressing us now, no? I feel like I'm getting sexualized. What the hell?
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Can we file a sexual assault? For just a song? God damn, man. All right, well, no. We just listen to it. So that is Stell room stripped version, no? I mean, shit. This version is my favorite version. The original version ng Room, still a phenomenal song. But this one, it's something, no? It's something. It's something. But yeah, I mean that is again Room EP Stell Ahero. That is a 10 out of 10. That is a 10 out of 10. EP. Like we have like a roller coaster of emotion sa EP na to, no? Dadali nga tayo doon sa taas, and then pahaba niya tayo, and then giving you a lot of feelings sa EP na to, which is a great thing, no? Like na kung nararamdaman mo talaga yung kanta, and lalo din sa Anino, it makes you just wanna sit down and just listen to it, para ma-appreciate yung kanta, no? Again, the Room Strip version is great, classic, phenomenal. But the Anino, my favorite song on this EP, no? Favorite song, iba yung impact niya eh. Iba yung pakiramdam, no? Anong pakiramdam? Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just actually shocked, no? Sa kung gaano kalaki yung na-miss ko sa... Andun na tayo no? Andun na tayo sa ano natin sa way natin para makinig ng mga kanta ni Stel. Like, we already listened to Room, we already listened to Di Ko Masabi. I don't know why hindi ko siya tinuloy-tuloy, no? Or sinunod-sunod. Maybe because of the request, we have a lot of requests. But since someone already requested to this, I mean, I just want to say thank you kung sino ka man. No? Kung sino man yung nabasa ko na nag-comment nun sa live natin. You're a fucking legend, man. But yeah, I mean, next stop, no, is Josh Collins' album. Well, that's for another video, man. But that's a reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo yun. I mean, ako sobrang enjoy ko yun. Well, leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto nyo mag-resabutin yung artist, man, sing a rapper song, just comment down below. Nag-react din tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.